and welcome. Let's go inside and check this place out. Look, Spiderwebs. Woo! Welcome guys, say hi, my friends here. And we're going to paint, we're going to carve, which I just added a hole for us to cut in. And once we carve it, we're gonna paint it white to make a ghost, like out there in our backyard. And I just gotta get something real quick. One moment later. Ah, yum! Actually looks yummy. We're not gonna eat it. Well, unless try it. Now we're carving out the face. This smells good. Why do I paint? Let's just listen to my cool facts about Halloween. Candy corn was originally called chicken feet. Buck buck. Halloween is more than 2,000 years old. Bonker bonk. What does it feel like to be kissed by a vampire? A pain in the neck. Ow! And shout out to Nick's Garden Center of the pumpkin that I just made. This place is so cool. You can wash a pumpkin. I washed this pumpkin. Isn't that cool? And I did bouncy castles, which everybody loves. But there was a giant one that I went on. It was so fun. I made this a jack-o'-lantern.